I can't wait to hear how this thing sounds. Downpipe. Do not take off this top cover plate. What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video. What we got going on today? 1 second, let me go grab it. This bad boy right here is going on the GTI today. I am so excited. This is the ECS Tuning Downpipe. I got the catted version, so we got the cat in there. And I can't wait. I do have a CBFA motor, so this does come with a third bunghole. So it's one here, and then one on the mid pipe back there. So I'm super excited. But first, let's hear what the car sounds like stock. Let's go. So let's pop the hood. Let's see where this is gonna go in here. So back here, right off the turbo, is where the downpipe goes. So I'm gonna have to take this off, and then right there, it's kind of hard to see. Just pop this off, get a little easier to see. That little cover plate down there has to come off in order for us to do this. Oh, I can't wait to get an intake on this baby so it can get those nice whoosh sounds going. So now we're gonna get the car lifted up. I'm gonna take it over to the pop shop. We're gonna get this thing ready to go. Take this downpipe off. First, I gotta make sure I get all my tools together that I'm gonna need. I did print out the instructions from ECS Tuning. That's where the downpipe is from. Hopefully it's an easy install. Pray for me, New York, rust. Not looking forward to it, but let's get it going. The exhaust is now in the hatchback. Sheesh. Look at all this extra space here. And put everything in here still. So I'll flip those back seats down, put the exhaust in here. Let's roll out. All right, so now we heading over there. I can't wait to hear how this thing sounds. I know it's gonna sound so good. So now we up on the lift. We're about to start working on this now. First thing I'm about to do, pop this engine cover off, just like that. All the instructions from ECS Tuning. So let's get started. Right now, I'm down here, about to pull out this bolt, or this nut here. All right, so now I've gotten the O2 sensors off already. Looking up here, I've taken these two bolts out, and then way up in there, you can see I already got loosened this off the studs. Now I'm gonna pull it out. All right, guys, so I got the downpipe off of this. Let's get underneath here. You can see the turbo there. Now I just gotta put the new gasket on there and throw my downpipe on. Do not take off this top cover plate. So we got the old versus the new. Look how thick this pipe is next to this one. It looks miniature next to it. I didn't really have a tool to get this off of here, so what I did was I just wedged it up against the ground and boom, popped that side off and then did the other side. And that's how I was able to get this off of here. All right, so the downpipe is in now. You can actually see that cat straight through there. Looking up there, I've tightened all those bolts down. Because I have a CBFA motor, I was able to leave that one, let me zoom in. I was able to leave that one, that oxygen sensor in the turbo. Didn't have to mess with that one. Tighten all my bolts down. Now, I just have to get the mid pipe on. So the reason I say do not take off that top cover right here, that little nipple came off of the top of this, looks like a supply line for the heater core, which goes into the end of this hose. Snapped it off when I was trying to get this front cover off. Didn't know I didn't have to take that off. So the way that I've replaced everything, right now I'm gonna plug that hole off. I got the new one on order. Should be a very simple fix. But the way that I've done things is, I took this intake off, this piece, took this off, right? Normal instructions there. Then what I did was I took a socket and an extension with a swivel on the end and came in from the side here underneath to get to the top of the downpipe. One bolt up there. All three other bolts I was able to get down below the car. So just keep that in mind. Very easy install. Once you realize that, you start playing around with that cover plate, you'll be here for hours. Moment of reveal here. Pop's gonna start it up. Let's hear it. Listen to that idle. That sound good. From inside the car, I would say there's no sound difference here. Maybe a slight bit. From the turbo.